Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel or welcome to the channel if you're new. In today's video we're going to see how to use if statements or conditionals in C++. So let's just jump right in. So the first thing you will see that we have the same program from the last time, basically asking you for a name and saying nice to meet you, and the computer tells you its age and asks you your age and stuff like that. So right now we're just printing age is a nice number. Basically like 15 is a nice age or 20 is a nice age, 14 is a nice age. But what we want is we want to print out something like I am younger than you or I'm older than you, something like that. For that obviously we need the age variable and we need to check that if age is less than a number or not, and if it is then we say yes, I'm older than you. So how do we compare age to some specified number? Let's see that right now. So I'm just going to remove this line and I'm going to type if. Now what if is, basically it checks for a condition. So inside the small brackets or parenthesis, I'm going to type in age less than 10. I'm also going to change the 2 to a 10 here, and I'm also going to add some brackets like that, not like that. There we go. So right now what this basically means is if age is less than 10, then we print or we fire out whatever code is inside here. So let's for example just put a print statement right now. Alright, we're printing out if age is less than 10, we are printing out I'm older than you. So if your age is less than 10, the computer's age, then the computer is older than you. Now also comment this part of the code in order to basically not having to type name every time. So I'm just going to click on this button and it will comment that out. Now here it will ask for my age, so it's asking for my age, and what I'll enter is something like, let's say 9. So it definitely prints out I am older than you. Now let's try entering something different, something like 13. Now it doesn't actually print out anything because, well, age is not less than 10, so it doesn't print out anything. Now that's incredible, we can check for a condition. But what if I also want to check for the condition when age is greater than 10? Let's see that. Now, just like in normal English, you would say, if age is less than 10, then print out the statement. Else, if age is greater than 10, you print out another statement. Now, the same goes for C++. You just type else if, and in the brackets, again, you type your condition, the same as this one. So we type age is greater than 10. Alright? And again, we need these curly braces, and I'm just going to copy this, right, and I'm going to say younger. Now if I try entering 13, you can see it shows me I am younger than you because of the fact that the computer is 10 years old. It tells that it's younger than me. Now there's another case in which if I enter just 10, it also does not print out anything. Now this is because we are handling ages less than 10, ages greater than 10, but not ages equal to 10. Now we know that if age is not less than 10 and if it's not greater than 10, it's definitely equal to 10. So we want to say, basically, if age is less than 10, and then print this. Else if age is greater than 10, then print that. Else print this. So we'll just write an else and open the brackets. Note that we don't have this if statement with the else because we are checking if age is less than 10 or if it's greater than 10, and if both of these conditions fail, we know that age is equal to 10, so we can just skip the checking part. You can also just say age is equal to 10, and I'll just show you that right now. If you want to check if something is equal to some value, you have to use the double equals operator. Now the reason we are using this double equals instead of a single equals is because a single equal is basically an assignment operator. So if we say age equals to 10, we are basically assigning the value 10 to age. We are basically setting the value of age to 10. But this basically compares the value of age to 10 and returns us a true or false value. And I'm just going to copy this statement and paste it right now. And I'm going to say we are of the same age. Alright, let's try running that now. If I enter something like 10, you can see it says us we are of the same age. And that spelling is a little wrong, but you get the point. Alright, so that was it for this video. Now in the next video, we're going to see how to make a simple calculator, basically using all of the concepts we've studied right now. And that'll be really cool. So make sure to subscribe and to like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. That's it for today, and I'm out.